What do you like about klezmer music?
Hard to say. I'm not sure I can answer it actually, because it's music, because it's what I like. I don't know. I mean, the expressiveness appeals to me. Yeah, and it seems a language that I can master myself to a certain extent. So it's just like, yeah, and every language, once a language is like a key, right, to the treasure trove of emotions and history and everything that people tell you, stories that you get. So yeah, listening to musical stories. Wow, that sounds cheesy, but it's really true. Musical stories, and just people's lives, all that. That it's very personal. It's a folk music, and yeah, it's a folk music style that's open to the full range of expression. And not just certain aesthetics. Like yeah, it doesn't need to be happy all the time. It doesn't need to be sad all the time. It doesn't need to rock all the time. And it's also for the holidays, and for people's lives, and for mourning and all that. So that's what I like, which every folk music has. So yeah, just connection to people and lives. Yeah, life, bring it on.